So this is a review for the Pet Cooling Mat. This is fantastic. It's well made. You've got non-slip bits underneath here in the little pet paw sign. Yeah, it's nice and strong, and it is cool on the hand. So I've been using this overnight, and it's a very hot night. It's been a very hot day, and my pet has absolutely loved it. I've been using it for a cat. But it would definitely be a good size as well for a dog. And it's cool. It really has kept its cool. So this is a fantastic piece of equipment for looking after your pet. I would highly recommend it.